Plots for sale at Dhargal, just 5 kilometers from Mopa Airport. Plot size from 230 to 300 square meters. Starting from just 15,000 rupees per square meter. Call now.
For the last 1 month, we have seen fatal accidents on the rise. Whether it is North Goa or whether it is South Goa or whether it is coastal belt of Goa, where there are large number of tourists who are coming in the state of Goa. And these accidents, when somebody meets with an accident, we used to earlier see that the person is taken to the hospital and he gets well, comes back. Very few cases of accident we used to see deaths. But here, for the last month, we are witnessing every day 1 or 2 deaths. And government of the day needs to study what are the various reasons why there are deaths on day-to-day basis. Young youth, boys as well as girls, are meeting with accidents and dying. We have seen day for yesterday, today, last 1 week, last 2 weeks, every day 1 or 2 people die. And we need to find out all the reasons, whether we have widened the roads and they are very smooth and hot mix it, and people are riding very fast, people are riding without helmets, or whether there are some people who are riding without helmets and they see the policemen standing on the road and they are trying to run away from them. What are the reasons? Why there are so many deaths? It's a matter of concern for us all, for the family whose father, mother goes to work, whose brother, sister goes to work and they are returning back, or they are going to work in a car or a bike, आणि ते पोत्तून घरा येतले काय खूप लोक भियल्लो आहा. आमकां खुबशे मेसेजी येयल्ल्यो आहा लोकांचे की एक्सिडंट इतले जाता की आमची भुरगीं वयता पळय ती कामाक वयता ती सेफ आहा, सेफली घरा पावतली ना. आनी म्हाका दिसता पुलिसांनी इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्रॅफिक पुलीस, इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग चलान्स, stopping and giving challans, even who are having helmets, they are being stopped and given challans. They should stop that and focus on studying this matter. Various junctions, थिंगा 4 रस्ते आहा, 3 रस्ते मेवता, accident prone zone हुया. Whether there are speed breakers where there are no signboards, identify such accident prone zone spots. Identify such places which do not have boards, signages, proper signages. All these things needs to be studied and government needs to act very fast. आणि म्हाका दिसता खुबशे कडेन ही गजाल पावपाक जाय की रायड इज स्लोली. स्पीड लिमीट जी आहा तेजे बोर्ड ना गोंयांत. 2 व्हिलर स्पीड लिमीट, 4 व्हिलर स्पीड लिमीट तेजे बोर्डूच ना. आमी म्हापसासून पणजे वयता, पणजेसून मडगांव वयता, भितरले रोडान वयता, मेजर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोडांनी वयता, थिंगा स्पीड लिमिटीचे बोर्ड ना, कसलेच बोर्ड ना. विलेज पंचायतींनी फुडें सरपाची आयज गरज आहा. तेंचे ज्युरिस्डिक्शनान जितके बोर्ड जाय, एक्सिडंट प्रोन झोन, 4 रोड्स अहेड, टू चॅक ऑल द. आतां पावस स्टार्ट जावपाचो आहा, मागीर पावसान ते पेंट मारूंक मेळना. स्पीड ब्रेकर्स नीड्स टू बी पेंटेड. All these works needs to be taken up on top priority because we are losing precious lives because of accidents. And so many accidents. सारखे दुःख लागता जेन्ना ठट करून मेसेज येता फोनाचेर की तुमको मनीस एक्सिडंट जालो मेलो. ही घोव बायलां घरा वयताली तेंचेर कोणे तरी हाडून फाटल्यान 4 व्हिलर मारली, ती पडल्या, एकटो मेलो, एकटो सारको सिवियरली इंजर्ड आहा हॉस्पिटलान. माझे कितकेशेच फ्रेंड ह्या दिसांनी एक्सिडंट जावन भायर पडलेले आहा. थोडे जाण एक्सिडंट जावन हॉस्पिटलान आहा, कोणाचे स्काल डॅमेज आहा, कोणाचे ब्रेन हॅमरेज जाले, तेजें ऑपरेशन केल्लें आहा. म्हणजे इट्स बिकमिंग व्हेरी स्कॅरी. अँड आय थिंक social media, the print and electronic media needs to play a vital role in this to make the public aware, especially the youth aware, that they need to ride slowly and safely because somebody of theirs is waiting for them at home. Their mother, their father, their sister, their brother, their grandparents are waiting for them at home. And also the elders, they have to drive safely and slowly. And also the police needs to check, not only stop and check all the documents. तांकां टार्गेट दिल्ले आम्ही ऐकला, तांकां टार्गेट दिल्ले आहा दिसाक 40-50 केसी करूंक जाय म्हणून. एक PSI आहा, PI आहा, एक हेड कॉन्स्टेबल आहा, एक ASI आहा, ताका 50 केसी दिसाक करूंक जाय. बंद करपाचें. हांव चीफ मिनिस्टराक स्पेशली फोन करून सांगतलो, तूं DG आणि SP ट्रॅफिकाक सांग म्हणून की हे बंद कर. And they should focus on identifying all these black spots, all these blind eyes, all these four road junctions. थिंगा बोर्ड आहा हो ना, लोक कित्याक एक्सिडंट जाता, लोक कित्याक एवरी सेकंड डे मरत आहा, 2 जाण 3 जाण दिसाक मरता, इज अ मॅटर ऑफ कन्सर्न. And the traffic police and also the RTO are duty bound. They should stop. RTO should come out from the offices and be at several checkpoints to see overspeeding of trucks, outstation trucks जे गोंया येता आनी स्पेशली हायवेचेर चलयता. ओव्हरस्पीडिंग कोण करता, कोण आनी कितें करता, तांकां आयडेंटिफाय करपाची गरज आहा. आयज आमचे कडेन ऑल मेकॅनिझम्स आहा. यू कॅन जस्ट क्लिक पिक्चर एंड सेंड द चलान एट होम. यू नीड नॉट स्टॉप समबडी to check documents. Documents can be verified online whether this person has got his insurance, has his documents proper or not. सगळें मेवता. सो हांव मागता चीफ मिनिस्टरान हेचेर म्हाका दिसता आयज पळोवपाची गरज आहा. आय एम ब्रिंगिंग इट टू हिज अटेंशन that it is a matter of concern that the youth are dying of these fatal accidents, boys as well as girls, and we need to step in and take precautionary measures. The police needs to act, the traffic police needs to act, the panchayats needs to come out, check all their signages, all their roads, major district roads, internal roads, and all other places of dangerous spots, dangerous turns. हे सगळे सारखे करपाची आज गरज आहा. ते खाली तांकां टार्गेट दिला तेच चालू आहा तेंचे. हे डायरेक्ट हांव चार्ज करता आनी CM should intervene in this immediately
and stop
these things which is going on of chalaning. Chalaning will not stop, will not bring down the accidents. You need to see that person whoever was driving reckless, त्याचं कार्ड ताका पुलीस धाड, त्याच्या घरांनी हाड ताका पुलीस स्टेशन, ताका बसय थिंगा आनी ताका दी कम्युनिटी सर्वीस दी ताका. Why after the death you are giving community service? If a youth dies, if a youth is involved in an accident below the age of 18, ताका community service dita judge. It should be given first only driving recklessly. If somebody who is having a license also is driving recklessly, ताका community service दिया न्हू, तो चलान डेडी कडले घेता 500 रुपयांनी भरता. That is not done. See, there has to be some strict laws to be implemented as far as rash and negligent driving is concerned. चड जाण मरपाक लागलेले आहा. त्या खातीर गव्हर्मेंट नीड्स टू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दीस आनी चलान दिवन एक्सिडंट कमी जावचे ना. ते चलान सिस्टम बंद करपाची गरज आहा सद्याक. आनी एट जंक्शन्स traffic police should stop and show the presence that we are there. People have to drive slow, make a full report wherever they are there in whichever traffic cell or police station that these things are missing. If the chief minister asks for a report, Mapsa police station should submit entire report of the jurisdiction where there are boards missing. Immediately it can be acquired and put and installed. हे म्हाका दिसता बेगीन करपाची गरज आहा. स्पीड ब्रेकरां कडेन बोर्ड ना, स्पीड ब्रेकर हा बोर्ड ना, उसवता गाडी समतो तो मनीस मेलो दुसरे. पयल्या दिसा हॉस्पिटलान पावता तिसऱ्या दिसा मरता हेड इंजरी. सो ऑल दीस थिंग्स नीड्स टू बी रेक्टिफाईड. समबडी हॅज टू सी दीस and somebody has to take responsibility also. We are all elected representatives. The campaign can be started by social media, by print and electronic media, that this is alarming. Accidents cannot happen like this. It is nowhere happening anywhere in the world. You all check. Me check kora. Even a country which is lower than India, a touristic state lower than Goa, will not have accidents like this happening. So something is seriously wrong. We need to rectify it.
तुम्ही एकटेच आवाज उठयता पण तुमचे MLA आणि मिनिस्टर आसात पळय अशी तुमची एक मिटींग केन्ना जाल्या हेचे एक्सिडेंट वाडटा
नो हे म्हाका दिसता चीफ मिनिस्टर जेन्ना आतां फुडें मिटींग दवरतलो MLAंची तेन्ना सगळे MLAंनी डिस्कस करपाची गरज आसा. Because people who are dying are not only from my village or my constituency, the youth who are dying or elders also, or meeting with accidents seriously, are from all the constituencies of the state of Goa. We all have to be concerned and worried about this. We cannot do a blame game on this. And all the accident prone zones have to be identified. Boards have to be put. Tinga na, ata tu you look at major district road, accident prone zone म्हणून तुका बोर्ड खंयसरूच दिसचो ना. तूं म्हाका दाखय accident prone zone ahead. ना, you go out of the state, when you are crossing the state you will find at least 50 to 60 accident prone zone boards. I have seen. When you are going towards Karnataka, तुका 30-40 तरी वाटेरूच मेवतले. Drive slow, accident prone zone ahead. Cross road ahead, drive slow. Speed limit तुका बोर्ड दिसतले, सगळे दिसतले. पूण आमचे गोंयांत म्हाका दिसता जवळशे बोर्ड ना. पंचायत आनी आमचे म्युन्सिपालिटी आनी ऑल्सो गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ द डे चड पयशे पडचे ना तेका. पडोन कितले जातले? एक 20-25-30 लाख जातले एक डिस्ट्रिक्टाक, आनी दोनूय डिस्ट्रिक्ट म्हणून एक 50 लाखान जावंक शकता. हे मोडपाची आयज गरज आसा आनी सगळ्याक बोर्ड घालपाची गरज आसा. स्पेशली कोस्टल बेल्टाक पंचायतींनी आपले पयशे मोडूंक जाता. मांद्रे पंचायत, आमचे अंजुना वागातोर शापोरा ती पंचायत आसूं, आमचे कालांगुटान मॅक्सिमम बोर्ड आहा, आरपोरा पंचायत आसूं, कांदोली मॅक्सिमम बोर्ड आहा. ऑल दीज प्लेसीस शूड हॅव देअर बोर्ड्स इन प्लेस so that the tourist at least sees that there is a speed breaker ahead. 50 meters ahead, 30 meters ahead, there is a speed breaker, there is a accident prone zone, there are crossroads, dangerous turn ahead. हे जेन्ना दिसना ट्युरिस्टाक ऑर लोकलाक केन्ना केन्ना अशें जाता. आमी वी शूड पुट आवर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन प्लेस. दिस इज वॉट आय एम मीन टू से. लेट अस वर्क ऑन सर्टन पैरामीटर्स वेर द एक्सिडेंट्स कम डावन एंड ऑल्सो campaign from the media, that is electronic and print media and social media campaigns सुरू जावपाची गरज आहे.